Is he a push-button man? Or a machine in search of a soul? This is an odyssey to freedom. A journey for a name. For one who is only a number. The son of X-51.